today we're going to create a passive income source using AI to create music videos on YouTube. Music compilations have been a thing on YouTube for many years, and now that we have access to AI, it makes it even easier to make them. If you're interested in making passive income on YouTube using this method, make sure to watch the video until the end. A question that always comes up is, are you able to monetize AI music? Yes, you can. Most AI music generators allow their music to be monetized after you pay your subscription. Be sure to read the policies as different AI generators are different. The process goes like this. We're going to use the AI generator Soundraw to create songs and upload them onto YouTube. So here we're on Soundraw's website and we're going to click create music to get started here. And here you can see there's a lot of options for types of music you can create. For the purpose of this video, let's do peaceful. So it is creating the music right now. It should be finished, yep, and then here's what it sounds like. After you generate a couple of pieces of music, what you're going to do is put them all together and create a compilation video of it. And here's what a finished product will look like. This is the result after I mash all the songs together and put it together in a compilation. As for the background, I created it using Midjourney, but you can use anything like copyright-free photos or anything else. After you make the songs and compile it, the editing process is really easy. There are pros and cons of this type of video. The pros are that it is easy to make and you can make a lot of quantity at a very low price. The cons, however, is that there's higher competition since it's so easy to make, and there's also going to be a higher competition, especially in the music compilation niche. How you can differentiate from your competitors is creating better thumbnails. A great starting tool for this would be Canva, and using tools like vidIQ can also improve your SEO of your videos. Like most of my videos, I will include everything I mentioned in the description. And next tip I'll mention is very important, and it is niching down your channel. For example, instead of just doing the broad lo-fi music niche, which is very competitive, you can do the lo-fi music with rain. And this you can niche down more and more, and your competition will get less and less, giving you the chance to grow faster. And if you're a creative person, you can try to create content on another platform to drive traffic to your channel. An example would be TikTok. And to make everything run faster and more efficiently, I have thought of 2 ideas. And if you have more ideas, let me know in the comments. Since file sizes and upload times are very high for each video, to be more efficient, you can hire virtual assistants at relatively low cost at sites like Fiverr and Upwork. You can ask them to upload and create the videos for you, and you can save a lot of time by doing that. Another way is to pay someone to create code for you so the entire process is automated. I have done this before, and the code helped me compile the videos until it reaches an hour. Then it was uploaded on YouTube with the background image I have provided in the folder. After it was uploaded, all I did was fill in the title and description along with running the code. If you like content like this, consider subscribing to the channel. Remember to take action, and see you in the next video.